Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. D back with a little learning at home video for math with during the spring PBL. I know everybody's doing a really great job at home, working hard, trying their best, doing a lot of work with learning about spring. And today we're going to learn a little bit more about the number 20 to start out with. Okay, so the number 20 to get it going. Okay, that's a really important number. It's something that we all should be able to do work within and understand the concept of as we go forward. Then we're going to do some money problems, and then I got some story problems for you as well. So we're going to do a lot of work today with math, and just playing around with the numbers and getting the concept of 20 down is basically the number one important thing we can get done today. So right here, I have 20 pennies. Okay, I have one big pile of 20 pennies, each one worth 1 cent. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, when you look at a penny, okay, you know that Abraham Lincoln's right on the front, okay? So, and on the back, he's in there and right in the middle. It's a different color, okay? There's a smooth outside round, so knowing what a penny looks like is something to be able to understand right at the get-go. But I have 20 pennies right there. Okay, now 20 is an important number because we can break it down into different groups. Okay, so if I think about breaking them up into 2 equal groups, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then I should have 10 on this side too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 and 10 make 20, right? Okay, so it's 2 groups, 10 plus 10 equals 20. So that's one really good way to think about it. So if you're able to do that, that's pretty good. Okay, now, can I break this up into groups of 5? Okay, let's do that because if we count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so if you have a number line at home, you can use that to follow, but that's also really helpful. So if I take these and I put them in groups of 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? There's one stack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another stack. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 4 stacks of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Now I can skip count by 5s. Okay, so using 20 things, now I can skip count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. When I put them in the groups of 10 again, I can go like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and just keep going on from there. Okay, if I put them in groups of 5, okay, and go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, that's just one way to play around with the numbers. Now, let me try putting them in groups of 2. So I'm still my 20 pennies. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, how many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 groups of 2 make 20. Okay? Now, I can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So using the concept of 20 and breaking those into groups can help you skip count by different numbers. That's one fun way to do it. Now, let's take let's do some work with some other money, right? So now I'm going to put them back into groups of 5. Okay. So I'm going to take my 20 pennies, put them back into groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2, 4, 5. Right. Now, the next type of money I want to talk about is a nickel. Okay. Now, this is one type of nickel. Okay, it's medium sized. Ooh, right there. Very shiny. Okay, you can see the building on the back, person on the front. Okay, very smooth on the outside. Okay, this is what a nickel is. Now, a nickel's worth 5. So if I have the reason I put these in the groups of 5 is because 1 nickel takes away 5 pennies. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. And let me find my 4th nickel. Right there in my pocket. Number 5. Number 4. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so I still be able to count by 20s, but now I'm only using the 1 nickel. Okay, so you can see the nickel right there. Okay, you know, if you can put on the comments, what would be awesome is if you can put which president is on which coin. That shows you really know your money. So that would be really good. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, 4 nickels is the same as 20 pennies. Okay, now there's another one. Here's the dime. Okay, now here's the dime right here. Okay, again, if you can figure out the presidents, leave them in the comments. They'll show you really paying attention. But the dime is known as the smallest. It's got a rougher edge around the side. Okay, if you can see that kind of there. Okay, on the back, another different symbol, something else you can leave in the comments for you to learn about. But these are worth 10. Okay, so now I'll show you right here. Okay, 2 nickels is the same as 1 dime. So I'm going to get rid of these 4 nickels now and just count by 10s. 10, 20. Okay, pretty easy. Okay, knowing the concept of 20, using that as we can move forward. Okay, so that's one thing you can do there. And then finally, we have the quarter, which is worth 25. Okay, we probably all should know George Washington. He's on the front of this coin. I'll give you that hint. Okay, you can see what's on the back of this quarter. Okay, it's also got a rougher edge. Okay, it's a little bit bigger than the nickel. Okay, sometimes people get the nickels and the quarters confused, but if you know a quarter rougher edge, George Washington, that'll definitely help you out right there. Okay, and this is worth 25. Okay, so a quarter 25, a dime 10. Okay, a nickel 5. Okay, and a penny is obviously 1. Okay, now one of the challenges is trying to figure out making combinations of money to figure out how do we do it. Okay, so let's do this right here. Okay, I'm going to get my little challenging ones here first. Okay, now the first thing we're going to make 11 cents using 3 coins. 11 cents using 3 coins. Well, I know my quarter is already 25 cents, so that's not going to work. I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, now I know a dime is worth 10 and a penny is worth 1, but I only want to make 11 cents. Okay, so if I have that, that makes 11 cents. Okay, a dime and a penny, but that's 2 coins. We want to make it with 3 coins. Well, I know my dime is 10. Well, the nickel, okay, is 5, and I know 5 and 5 make 10. Okay, so 5 and 5 make 10. I'm going to get another nickel right here. 5 and 5 make 10. So if I count it up, 5, 10, 11. That's 11 cents with 3 coins. We made it. Okay, so we're able to make our combination right there. All right, let's try. This one is a little different. Okay, let's take 32 cents. 32 cents with 4 coins. Okay, we're gonna make 32 cents with 4 coins. Well, let me get ones that I can use. I could use a quarter because that's 25. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get them in there. Dime is 10, but right now that's 35, so it's gonna be a little bit tough. Let me get a nickel out here again. Okay, the nickel is worth 5. Okay, and the pennies are worth 1. So let me think to myself here, how do I do this? 32 cents, 4 coins. How am I going to break that down? Okay, so I'm going to get rid of my dime. Okay, I'm going to get rid of my dime. So let me count on here. 25 and 5 is going to make 30. 31 with 1 penny. What? But I got to make 32 cents with 4 coins. What can I add? I can add 1 more penny. Boom. 32 cents. 32 cents, 4 coins. That's a really good way to do it. Okay, so if you're able to break that down, that's pretty good. Last one I'll give you, okay? This one you can leave in the comments because this is kind of a challenge, but I don't want to get to some story problems here for you today. 46 cents with 4 coins. Try that out, put that answer in the comments, that'd be great. But I'm going to go over 54 cents with 9 coins. What? 54 cents with 9 coins. Now, One of the great things about video is you can always stop and rewind it. So if you're, if you want to stop and take some time to go over the problems, stop, pause, rewind, go back. Now, for me, I need to know I'm going to make 54 cents. So I'm just going to, so I know 4 cents is going to be 4 pennies. Okay, there's my 4 because there's 4 ones right there. Okay, 4 ones right there. Boom, 54 cents. But now, I know 2 quarters, 25 and 25 make 50. Okay, but now that's 54 cents, but that's with 6 coins. 25, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and that works. But my challenge is to make it with 9 coins. So what can I do? Well, I know the dime is worth 10. And if I count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my 9 coins. And does that make 54? Let me count on. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 5 dimes and 9 pennies. Perfect. Great job, guys. Okay, that's another way to break that down. Okay, so using your combinations to make money, you can do it at home. Parents, if you're watching, give your kids like a scenario. Okay, make 88 cents, 8 coins, something like that. So there's fun activities you can do that. That's a good one. Now, but let's go to a story problem that I know we all can do. Okay, so I'm going to read this here for you. Okay, this says, my chickens laid, no, let's do this one first. Okay, let's do this one first because these are numbers we can end. 3 friends named Bill, Joe, and Steve went fishing. They caught 20 fish. Bill caught 6, Joe caught 5. How many did Steve catch? Okay, now I'm going to do this by counting on. So watch this. Okay, get a piece of paper here. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me get my marker out. Okay, so I know. Let me read this problem one more time so I get it down because you gotta really read the story problem. 3 friends named Bill, Joe, and Steve went fishing. They caught 20 fish. Bill caught 6. Joe caught 5. How many did Steve catch? Well, let's break this down on a number line. Okay, I'm going to make a number line here. Okay, so these are things you can do. 0, 20. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Now, so I'm going to catch this one more time. 3 friends named Bill, Joe, and Steve went fishing. They caught 20 fish. Okay, so I'm going to circle 20 because I know that's where I got to get to. That's what they got in total. Okay, so my number line, I counted 20. That's where I get my total 20. All right, now Bill caught 6. So I'm going to count. He's my first one. So he went from 0. They went from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I know I'm at 6. So far they're at 6. I'm going to make a big dot there. Okay, the next one says Bill caught 6, Joe caught 5. Okay, so I'm going to count on from 6 because in total they got 20. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now they're at 11. Okay, because 6 plus 5 is 11, right? So I can do that there. You can do that. 6 plus 5 equals 11. You could think like this: 11 plus blank is going to give you 20. Or for you people that are subtractions, you can look at it like this. Okay. There's 2 ways this number line is telling you to do this problem. Okay. So Bill caught 6. Joe caught 5. How many did Steve catch? 6 and 5 give me 11, so I know I'm at 11. Now I could use the number line to count on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, I'm saying Steve caught 9 fish. But I know, so 11 plus 9 is that. Now, here's one thing we can do for subtraction. I'm going to put 20 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, this symbol here tells me that I got to get rid of them. So I'm going to get rid of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The correct answer is 9. Okay? So there's a lot of ways you can do that story problem. That's one fun way to do it. I'm going to leave you with another one here with the concept of 20. And I'll tell you, I made a 120 chart for this problem. Think about this one here, okay? This next one. My chickens laid 44 eggs this month. Last month, they laid 20 more. How many eggs did the chickens lay last month? Now, I'm gonna read that one more time. What's gonna be the really important word? My chickens laid 44 eggs this month. Last month, they laid 20 more. So I'm gonna circle the word more, okay? How many eggs did the chickens count last month? So let me just show you on a 120 chart. Okay, there's 44. Okay, now if I count 10 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I land on 54. 10 and 10 give me 20. They laid 64 eggs last month. That's a lot of eggs right there. And if you really want us to take a challenge, if they laid 64 this month and 44 last month, how many did they lay in 2 months? So there's some fun things that you can do with math right there. We learned the concept of 20. We talked about the different coins and how we can make certain money amounts with a certain amount of coins. And we did some story problems. Great work, guys. Hope you're learning a lot. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.